Moisturizers are the most important part of any skincare routine. Whether you have dry, oily, sensitive or combination skin, you require a good moisturizer. Moisturizer helps in healing and soothing the skin and also makes the other ingredients work better. I'm Dr. Aanchal Pant, dermatologist, and today I'm going to tell you everything about moisturizers. I will also give you recommendations on what moisturizer will suit your skin type best. So let's get started. Why do we need a moisturizer? Remember that skin is a barrier that protects your internal organs from external stressors. We have to make sure that this barrier is intact and robust in order to function properly. Our skin has a lipid layer to make it more pliable and elastic and smooth and also waterproof so that water doesn't seep in. So maintaining the skin barrier is very important to reduce dryness, flaking and itching and irritation to the skin. So using a good moisturizer forms a foundation of any skincare routine. So what should you look for in a moisturizer? If you have dry skin, look for thick ingredients, moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, glycerine, ceramides and oils. If you have oily skin, then look for ingredients like glycerine, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, zinc PCA, pantothenol, allantoin, which are more soothing on the skin and do not occlude the skin. So how do you use a moisturizer? We will divide it into face and body. On the face, you can apply a layer of serum in the morning and then go on top with a moisturizer, then use a sunscreen on top. At night, you can use your night cream and then use a moisturizer on top. On the body, you want to make sure that the skin is wet. It's damp when you apply the moisturizer. So as soon as you shower, you will just dab yourself gently to wipe the excess water off, and when there is still some water left on the skin, that is when you want to go on with a moisturizer. This will help in sealing the skin properly. You can follow this even for the face if you have very dry skin. Always remember that when you apply moisturizer on damp skin, it works the best. It helps in sealing the hydration, it penetrates deeper and helps in retaining moisture for a longer period of time. Now I'm going to give you moisturizer recommendations for all skin types. The moisturizers meant for dry skin can be used as a body moisturizer by all skin types, because we know that even if your skin is oily or sensitive or combination, your body skin is usually dry. So the body moisturizers can be the same for all, and the face moisturizers will differ according to skin type. So let's start. First is dry skin type moisturizers. My recommendations for dry skin are Venucia Max Cream, Cetaphil Dam Cream, Aveeno Moisturizer, Bioderma Atoderm Balm, the Dermaco Ceramide Moisturizer and the Dermaco Vitamin E Moisturizer. These can be used both on the face and body as well by dry skin individuals. Make sure that the skin is damp when you apply this moisturizer. For oily skin type, my recommendations are Emollient, Acrophy, Oriza, Acne OC Cream, Formula RX Malaysia Cream, Bioderma CBM Hydra, Dr. Sheth's Haldi Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer and Dot & Key Sika Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. All these moisturizers are very lightweight, gel formulation. They blend easily into the skin and does not feel heavy. When you are somebody with oily skin, you don't want anything that feels heavy and sticky on the skin. And these moisturizers are very lightweight and do not feel heavy on the skin. So that's why I prefer to use them on oily skin type. If you are somebody who has oily skin on the face and dry skin on the body, you can just go ahead and use the moisturizers recommended for dry skin type on the body and use this on the face. Now moisturizers for acne prone skin. My recommendations are Excella Cream, Emollient, Neutrogena Hydro Boost, Minimalist B5 Moisturizer, Bioderma CBM Hydra Moisturizer and Dr. Sheth's Aloe Pantothenol Hydrating Gel. These feel very lightweight and also contain certain ingredients like niacinamide, aloe, pantothenol, which help in soothing and calming the skin down and also reduces acne. So remember that even if you have active acne, you do require a moisturizer, but choose the one that is suitable for your skin type and your skin concern. Also, when you're using treatments for acne such as benzoyl peroxide or adapalene or tretinoin, this can dry your skin out a lot. So in that case, you need a moisturizer that suits the skin and that balances the oils so that your skin does not become too dry. Remember that dry skin does not heal well. If your skin is dry and irritated, it will take longer to heal. So the acne will also sit on your face for a longer period of time. That's why using a good moisturizer is very important. Now for sensitive skin type. So moisturizer recommendation for sensitive skin type are Emollient Cream, Cetaphil Dam Moisturizer, Formula RX Barrier Repair Cream, Dot & Key Barrier Repair Cream, V-Green Moisturizer, and Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. These are few of my favorites. This is just a general guide to help you in finding the right moisturizer for your skin type. For sensitive skin, moisturizer is very, very important. You know that if you have sensitive skin, you'll not be able to tolerate too many products. So the foundation of your skincare has to be a moisturizer and a sunscreen. So this way you can repair your skin barrier. The burning, itching, redness, tingling, all can subside with a good moisturizer. So these ones that I've recommended will suit sensitive skin type well. How often should you use a moisturizer? Moisturizer has to be applied twice in a day. In the morning, you want to apply it over your serum, and at night, you want to apply it over your night cream. Okay, so the moisturizer always goes before sunscreen in the morning and at night over your night cream. So moisturizer has to be applied twice in a day. If you have very oily acne prone skin which looks shiny, then you can skip the moisturizer in the morning and use it only at night. But using a moisturizer at night time is very, very important in order to repair your skin overnight. Whenever you're using any acne ingredients, also make sure that you're using a moisturizer on top. So there you go, a short video on moisturizers for all skin types. I hope you found this video useful. If you like such skin and hair related content, you can follow me on my Instagram handle Dr. Aanchal MD, where I post such skin and hair related content daily. Thank you for watching.